We're following an important story tonight in Dyer County where residents there have been away from their homes for nearly a week after devastating floods. Thank you for joining us on the news at 5. I'm Pepper Baker.
And I'm Ruben Diaz. Now, the community you're talking about is Bogota, where it's been completely underwater at some point in time during that flooding. ABC 24's Desmond Nugent is there right now. Desmond, you spoke with a homeowner. When can she start that rebuilding process?
That's right. I met Judy Blair, who has lived in this community for decades. After last week's flooding, she's finally able to assess the damage. But here's the problem. She has no idea when she's able to return home for good.
I have no electricity at the present time. I'm not sure if my heat works.
Emotions are still high for longtime Bogota resident Judy Blair. 7 to 8 inches of flood water went through her home after last week's historic flooding in Dyer County.
It's a little overwhelming when you see all this water in your house and the damage done and think about rebuilding.
While there's no timeline when she can come back home for good, one thing she won't do is give up.
This has been my home for 50 years and this is still my home.
Business is back open at the No Limit Cafe for the first time since last Monday. Owner Wally Chowdhury says while he's grateful to reopen his restaurant, his heart is set on helping the community.
Some people don't have any help. You know, they have to reach out, and having a good center point to point people helps, and that's kind of what we've been trying to do.
The town of Bogota might look dry now. Childers claims 58 of the 100 homes in this area received water damage. He says overall, they've raised $35,000 to help those in need.
Even for 50-something families, you know, we're going to try to raise as much as we can, but we know we can't do a lot.
Childress says right now they're trying to keep the spirit of the community alive by providing food and any other necessities. If you would like to help in any way, click this story on abc24.com/now. In Bogota, I'm Desmond Nugent.